Namaskar, welcome to OPSC OS A to Z. So 2016 OPSC OS preliminary question paper 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 जाए आम लास्ट वीडियोज रे कवर कर सारी जो मैंने देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि देखी निंतु। सो आम ए स्टार्ट करवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 रु। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 61। इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेजर स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया द क्रॉस enrollment ratio in class 1 to 8 during 2014 and 15 is the least? Options are Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Telangana. The correct answer is Bihar. You know that the literacy rate of Bihar is least in among all the states of India. Question number 62. From the following, identify the most appropriate strength of the National Health Mission 2013. Options are 108 ambulance facilities for all. Option B, stopping open defecation. Option C, universal access to the equitable, affordable and quality health care services. Option D, strengthening the medical education infrastructure in the country. The right answer is option C, universal access to equitable, affordable and quality health care services. So question number 63 को जीवा। The first ever national health policy of government of India was given in the year. Options are 1980, 1983, 1991 and 2002. The right answer is 1983. Next question 64. Which of the following organization has developed the Universal Health Coverage Index? Options are International Monetary Fund, Washington Consensus, World Bank, World Health Organization. The correct answer is World Health Organization. World Health Organization or WHO was founded in 1948. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and 194 member countries are there. Coming to International Monetary Fund, this is a global economic platform which lends money to the country when it is needed, and its headquarters is in Washington DC. 189 member countries are there. Question number 65. Which was the when was the National Food Security Mission launched in India and what were its components? Options are April 2007 wheat, maize, pulses and sugar cane. Option B, May 2007 rice, wheat and pulses. Option C, September 2007 rice, wheat, pulses and coarse cereals. Option D, October 2007 rice, wheat and pulses. The correct answer is option D, October 2007 rice, wheat and pulses. The National Development Council adopted a resolution to launch a food security mission comprising rice, wheat and pulse. That is called your National Food Security Mission. This is a centrally sponsored scheme, and it was launched in October 2007. And the components are rice, wheat and pulses. The right answer is option D, October 2007 rice, wheat and pulses. Question number 66. What is carbon credit? Options are it is the difference between the carbon emission allowed and actually emitted carbon. Option B, it is the loan amount by IMF for reducing pollution. Option C, it is loan given to poor people for buying modern stoves. Option D, it is a fine amount imposed for excess emission of carbon dioxide. The correct answer is it is the difference between the carbon emission allowed and actually emitted carbon. The A is the correct answer. Carbon credit is a permit that allows the company that hold it to emit a certain amount of carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases. So UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, that is IPCC, developed a carbon credit proposal to reduce worldwide carbon emission in 1997 through an agreement. That agreement is called Kyoto Protocol. Do remember that Kyoto Protocol was established to reduce greenhouse gases emission. This is an agreement set binding emission reduction targets for the countries that signed this protocol. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 67 को the main pollutants responsible for causing greenhouse effect, acid rain and ozone layer depletion are options are H2O, CO and CFC respectively. Option A H2O is not a greenhouse gas, so option A is wrong. Option B CH4, yes, methane is a greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide is not responsible for acid rain, so option B is also wrong. Option C carbon dioxide, yes, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Chlorofluorocarbon or CFCs is not responsible for acid rain, so option C is wrong. Option D carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, yes. Sulfur dioxide is responsible for acid rain, yes. Chlorofluorocarbon is responsible for ozone layer depletion, yes. This is the option D is the correct answer. Do remember that sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide is responsible for acid rain. Next question number 68 को which of the following can be used for controlling gaseous air pollutant? Options are arrestor, B incineration, option C absorption, option D electrostatic precipitator. The correct answer होची option C absorption. Absorption is a physical or chemical process of removing a pollutant from a gas phase media by dissolving a pollutant into the solvent media. The most common form of absorption is wet scrubbing. So the correct answer is for controlling gaseous air pollutant is absorption. Option C is the right answer. 69 question, which of the following organisms fix nitrogen in aquatic ecosystems? Options are fungi, chemoautotrophs, C cyanobacteria, D phytoplankton. The correct answer is cyanobacteria is the responsible for nitrification in the aquatic ecosystem. What is nitrification? Nitrification is a process where ammonia get converted to nitrate. Question number 70. Red data book contains data of dangerous species, extinct species, economically important species, endangered species. The correct answer is option D, endangered species. Red data book contains mostly the rare and endangered species, and red data book is established by IUCN, which headquarter is in Gland, Switzerland. IUCN it is composed of both government and national civil society organization. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 71. IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, headquarter is at. Options are Gland, Switzerland, option B Paris, France, option C Vienna, Austria, option D न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए. द राइट आंसर इज ग्लांड स्विट्जरलैंड, जोटा कि आम एबे देखिले रिसेंटली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 सहित IUCN आपणकर कनेक्टेड. IUCN पब्लिश करे आपणकर रेड डेटा बुक व्हिच कंटेन्स रेयर एंड एंडेंजर्ड स्पेसीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 72 को. व्हाट इज द एनिमल सिंबल ऑफ Wildlife Fund or WWF? Options are red panda, giant panda, C tiger, D kangaroo. The correct answer is option B giant panda. The next question number 73 को. The occurrence of pesticide like DDT in higher trophic level in an ecosystem is termed as. Options are bioremediation, biomagnification, biological enhancement, D biopollution. The correct answer is biomagnification. So bioremediation कहले आम कौन बुझू? इट इज process where organic waste biologically degrade under controlled condition to level below the respective concentration limits as set by the controlling authorities. तो बायोरेमेडिएशन होची ये प्रोसेस थ्रू आपनकर ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट को अंडर कंट्रोल कंडीशन बायोलॉजिकली डिग्रेड करा जाए. बायोमैग्निफिकेशन तो आपन देखिले जोटा कि occurrence of pesticide like DDT in the high trophic level the concentration बढ़े जोटी सेटा को कहे जाए बायोमैग्निफिकेशन. मोस्टली फूड चेन रो अपर लेवल रे आपनकर बायोमैग्निफिकेशन अधिक थाए. नेक्स्ट बा क्वेश्चन नंबर 74 को वेस्ट व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडियन स्टेट यूनियन टेरिटोरीज हैज द मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ मैनग्रोव कवर इन कंट्री. ऑप्शंस आर गुजरात, वेस्ट बंगाल, अंडमान एंड निकोबर, डी ओडिशा. द करेक्ट आंसर इज वेस्ट बंगाल. वेस्ट बंगाल आपनकर 42.45% आपनकर परसेंटेज मैनग्रोव कवर अच्छी. सुंदरबन वेस्ट बंगाल रो is consist of halophytes and the known as the mangrove area. There royal Bengal tiger and crocodiles are found. Next jiba apanakara mangrove represent a littoral forest ecosystem below the high level of spring tides. आउ गोटे जिनस मन रखु भितरकनिका ओडिशार इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट इन द इंडियन सब कंटिनेंट इन मैनग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. तो फास्ट आपणकर रहा वेस्ट बंगाल सुंदरबन. नेक्स्ट आपणकर भितरकनिका बट परसेंटेज वाइज आपणकर सुंदरबन हूँ हाईएस्ट 42.45% मैनग्रोव कवरेज देखा जाए आपणकर वेस्ट बंगाल सुंदरबन रे. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 75 का आसवा द हाईएस्ट पर कैपिटा एमिटर ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द वर्ल्ड इज यूएसए, सिंगापुर, कतर एंड सऊदी अरेबिया. द राइट आंसर इज कतर. आउ जदि एमिशन उपर आसे वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एमिटिंग कंट्री इज चाइना. इंडियाज पोजीशन इज इन 4th. नेक्स्ट जीवा बट हाईएस्ट पर कैपिटा एमिटर कहले आपनकर नेक्स्ट फास्ट आसीबा कतार. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 को लायन टेल्ड मकाओ इज द की faunal species of which biosphere reserve. Options are Nilgiri, Dehang Devang, C. Dibru Saikwa, D. Nokrek. The correct answer is Nilgiri. Nilgiri is found in Kerala. साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क रे आपनकर देखा जाए लायन टेल मकाओ जोटा कि आपन नीलगिरी हिल्स रे अच्छे सिचुएटेड अच्छे. तो नेक्स्ट बा दिहंग देबांग बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. इट इज़ इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. इट इज़ फेमस फॉर मस्क डियर. नेक्स्ट दिब्रू साइखोवा national park or this is also a biosphere reserve. It is situated in Assam and it is this is the largest swamp forest in northeastern India found in the bank of Brahmaputra river. The next one Nokrek biosphere reserve. This is in Meghalaya. It is famous for red panda species. Next question number 77 को who said earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need but not every man's greed. Options are Maneka Gandhi, Medha Patkar, option C Mahatma Gandhi, option D Sundarlal Bahuguna. Mahatma Gandhi is the correct answer. Option C is your right answer. महात्मा गांधी एटा को सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल डिस्कसन बेले कही. तो आपण मैंने जानते जमी देर आर 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल अडॉप्टेड बाय यूनाइटेड नेशन जनरल असेंबली इन 2015. तो आपण मेनका गांधी का विषय आसले. मेनका गांधी इज ए पॉलिटिशियन हु बिलोंग टू राइटिस्ट ग्रुप. देन आपणकर बी मेधा पाटकर. मेधा पाटकर बिलोंग टू नर्मदा वैली डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन रे से लीड करथिले इंडियन सोशल एक्टिविस्ट से जड़े फर्दर एंड नेक्स्ट जी क्वेश्चन सॉरी डी को सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा कौन फेमस चिपकू मूवमेंट लीडर थे आपनकर सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा जोटा कि कंजर्वेशन और फॉरेस्ट बचाई आपनकर चिपकू मूवमेंट। तो यार क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 को जीवा व्हाट इज the 2016 theme for World Environment Day? Options are raise your voice not the sea level, option B 7 billion dreams one planet consume with care, option C go wild for life, option D green cities plan for the planet. The correct answer is option C 2016 रो theme थिला go wild for life। तो 2022 रो थीम होची एबे पाई एटा बेसी इंपोर्टेंट ओनली वन अर्थ is the theme of 2022 World Environment Day। so World Environment Day आपनकर सेलिब्रेट हुए 5th of June रे मन रखंतु आर थीम एई वर्ष पई होची ओनली वन अर्थ। 2021 रो भी थीम मन रखंतु बिकॉज ओपीएससी बेले बेले 1 ईयर बैक को जाके पचारे। तो यार 2021 आपनकर थीम थिला इकोसिस्टम रिस्टोरेशन। 2021 रो थीम थिला इकोसिस्टम रिस्टोरेशन। 2022 रो थीम है ओनली वन अर्थ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 79 को द ऑलिव रिडले टर्टल्स आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी endangered because of their life because of their few remaining nesting sites in the world. In this context, which among the following statement is are correct? Their peculiar behavior of synchronized nesting in mass number is known as Ariveda. Yes, this is correct. Gahirmatha beach in Odisha is one of their few nesting grounds in the world. Yes, this is also right. So option C is your right answer, both 1 and 2. Question number 81 को जीवा the Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center established at Indian National Center for Ocean Information Sciences is located in, options are Chennai, B Goa, C Kochi, D Hyderabad। यार करेक्ट आंसर होची हैदराबाद। इट इज एस्टाब्लिश्ड in 2007। दिस इज ऑटोनोमस बॉडी अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ साइंस। So Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center was established in 2007 and under the Ministry of Earth Science। So question number 81 रू आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे कवर करिबा। So thank you।